Hi again. In this video, we'll break down the benefits ERP brings to organizations, from better control to faster decision-making. Key benefits of ERP. Benefits of ERP for organizations. First, centralized information. ERP integrates data across departments, HR, finance, sales, inventory, etc. into one system, providing a single source of truth. Reduces duplication and ensures accuracy in data handling. Second, improve productivity. Automates routine and repetitive tasks like data entry, order processing, payroll, etc. Employees spend less time on manual work and more on strategic tasks. Third, enhanced decision-making. Real-time dashboards and reports help leadership make data-driven decisions. Visibility across all departments improves forecasting and planning. Fourth, streamlined business processes. Standardizes workflows and best practices across the organization. Improves consistency, compliance, and process efficiency. Fifth, better collaboration across departments. Teams can easily share and access information. Enhances communication and cross-functional coordination. Sixth, cost savings. Reduces operational costs through optimized resource planning and minimal process delays. Better inventory and supply chain management also lead to cost control. Seventh, scalability. ERP systems are designed to grow with your business. Whether it's new locations, products, or services, ERP can adapt easily. Eighth, regulatory compliance. Helps organizations comply with industry standards, tax regulations, and data security laws, keeps audit trails and documentation in place. Ninth, improved customer service. Centralized CRM and order tracking improve response times and customer satisfaction. Personalized services become easier with better customer insights. 10th, mobile accessibility. Modern ERPs come with cloud and mobile access, enabling remote work and real-time updates on the go. So this is the end of our module 1. Next, we'll wrap up this module with a quick summary of all the concepts we've covered so far.